So right.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, this person's gonna put her headset in the microwave right now. Look.
What the fuck?
She put her headset in the microwave right now. Her headset's in the microwave right now. It's real. It's real. It is. She literally recorded up the sounding in the glass dish in the microwave.
Bro, I swear, maybe if I put my headset, bro, it will explode. I don't know, bro. Maybe.
Holy moly.
But that's tripping. Yo, your headset, okay? It's hot. Like, hotter.
Oh my god.
Bro, if
Okay.
if they